What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo, and this is like part 2. Right now we're actually at the junkyard. You barely can see it, but we're at the junkyard about to go check out these other Hondas that's here, and then I'll grab a few parts for the caddy while I'm here too. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get inside, you feel me? So let's get into it. Alright, so we finally in this guy. It's a little deep, you dig what I'm saying? Ooh, y'all ain't see that. First things first, window motor on the other one went out, so we're gonna take the window motor out of here. You dig what I'm saying? This should be quite interesting. After about 15 minutes of fighting, we finally got this hole off, you feel me? So it is a little rusted. I'm a little skeptical, but it's a flip, so as long as it works, it works. But we finna move on to the next vehicle to see if we can find a headliner in that guy. So let's get to it. It is some pretty cool cars out here. I haven't been recording them all, but this is a car that I have always wanted, that I plan on adding to the fleet eventually. An older S-Class Mercedes. It's just something about this car. I think it's like timeless. Dig what I'm saying? This one is I can't see, I'll open that door. This one has definitely seen better days, but it's just a timeless look about this car with the big sunroof. Come on. So I'm in the domestic part with all the Chevys and Cadillacs and whatnot, and it is a couple cool cars over here. That's not why I came over here though. I wanted to show y'all this other DeVille, you know what I'm saying? The more I see these cars, the more I fall in love with them. However, mine is not the North Star. It's the one right before the North Star. These are notorious because you can't work on them, but the one that I have, it's quite easy to work on. It ain't no problem, no fuss or nothing like that. Looking around though, these mugs do be clapped out. I was hoping to get lucky to find a radio bezel, a double DIN radio bezel, but it's not reality today. So they even got the game leaves in the back over there. You dig what I'm saying? So you know what kind of people drove this. It's a little different. That's all off the hinges. The bezel's broken off. Man, people clap these mugs out. This still has the key in the ignition. It's kind of cool. Alright, so I'm back in the car. If y'all look, it's about to rain. It's about to storm. Got the clouds all gray and whatnot. So I grabbed what I could. About to shoot home, slap on the parts that I bought, and I'll get back to y'all when I get to that part. Man, we had tragedy strike. Got all the way home, and then I had a flat tire. So I'm gonna go get this fixed up and then get back to it. Alright, so we back. Y'all seen that the caddy tried to count me out, but I ain't never counted out. You dig what I'm saying? So I'm back at it. This is the car since you guys have seen it last time. I've done a lot of thorough cleaning through it. I've replaced little minor things, but the rest of this video I'm just going to be replacing stuff. The last things that I have on the list for the vehicle now, I have to clean the interior, so I'm going to actually shampoo the seats, get the seats all cleaned up. I bought a kit to lighten these headlights up, so I'll definitely get those cleared up. And then I also have the bulb because that high beam is out on this side. Let's show you the interior. The interior, remember last time, was really yucky and nasty. Now since you guys have seen it last, it's actually not all that bad. I ditched that ugly steering wheel cover. You dig what I'm saying? Put some floor mats in it. I'm gonna shampoo all of the seats, shampoo the floor, get everything all nice and cleaned up. And then I have this rear window motor for this, because you dig what I'm saying? This ain't it, and it's been rained in, so I figured that I wouldn't trip that it's raining because I'm gonna shampoo the seats anyway. But now that I have this, I can go ahead and do that. And lastly, you know what I'm saying, just a few minor things. I have replaced that center console thing. It made the car look a lot different. I wish I would have showed you the before, but it made it look a lot better, a lot different. But the remainder of this video is just gonna be me slapping these parts in. So without further ado, let's continue. That did get a little tedious and time consuming, but I did want to show y'all that. Hold on, you did what I'm saying? You feel me? Got the functional window. This one failed because of the cable. This cable's supposed to be connected on here somewhere, and it popped off. Actually, I might have been able to save that, it looks like. Or nah, yeah, that snapped. Never mind, we're good. But yeah, that's crap now. Mirror's crap. All that's really left now that I'm gonna majorly do, like I said, shampoo the insides, fix the headliner, man. It looked like water got in there or something. That's how some folks' pants be sagging. You dig what I'm saying? And that just looked bad. So I'm gonna address that, fix that. Like I said, I'm gonna touch up the headlights. The bulb that I got for this turned out to be the wrong bulb. I got a 9006 and I need a 9005 in order to replace that high beam bulb. So that was user error right there, but you feel me? Don't even trip, don't sweat it. Aside from that, hey man, she almost finished. As y'all can see, we are done for the day. It did rain, you know what I'm saying? That storm I predicted earlier did come through, so we had to waited it out, got a bunch of stuff knocked out on that. The last major thing on that is just the headliner. Once I get the headliner either redone or I'll buy a new one, I'll slap that on and then it's going up for sale. So that's all it is to this process, man. People make it sound a lot more complicated than what it is when it's really not all that complicated. You try something new for a change, you know what I'm saying? Most of the things that were wrong with it, you can look on YouTube on how to fix. I didn't have to do that for most of them, but regardless of the fact, that's what YouTube is for. Use it as a platform to learn as well, aside from just entertainment. But regardless of the fact, that's all we got for today. I'm finna go in here, I'm finna grub, and I'll catch y'all on the next part. It's your boy J-Lo signing off.